Okay, so this video is going to be on how to find travel agents so that we can put them in this spreadsheet and eventually reach out to them and email them. So first thing we want to go to is virtuoso.com, and then we're going to click on this tab, Travel Advisors, because we're looking for travel advisors. For right now, I'm going to use one example. I'm going to use Barbados, for example. Maybe sometime in the future, I'm going to ask you to look for a different location. And then you're going to hit find an advisor. And then for right now, we're going to want to do um, number of reviews, because if they have a lot of reviews, that means they're very active and they have a lot of clients, and they're successful at this business. And for this video, we have Barbados, and then we're doing English because we want to talk to someone who speaks English. And for right now, we're going to be doing the United States. And so now we kind of narrowed down the list to 167 people. So what we need is their contact information. We need their name and last name. So for example, Dana, we're going to need Dana's first and last name, phone number, and email put in the spreadsheet. Some of these people have easy contact information to get right away, but if it's someone like this and it's hard to find and they don't have their contact information on here, you can control copy their name, and then you could click on here, maybe look through here, see if you can find maybe a website or whatever you can find to where we can get in contact with them. Maybe their Facebook, you could try that, or Twitter, or you could try the email link, whatever you want. You could try any of those to try to get their contact information. Another thing you can do is plug in their name in Google and then type travel agent after. And Jamal Gideon, travel agent. So Virtuoso comes up, and here you go. Here's a LinkedIn. And if we can't find like their website or any sort of oh, here we go. Here's their contact information. Here's a website. So you click on their website, and maybe he has his phone number, and whatever else in there. But if we still can't find his phone number and email, then just add their LinkedIn or whatever they have, maybe their Facebook page. Just add that into the spreadsheet, and just note that we obviously couldn't find their number and email, so just add the link to their Facebook or LinkedIn, and then we'll try to reach out to them that way.